Hello everybody, John Phillips here from JP Mortgages, 29th of April 2026. Another podcast for you all with a good lady friend of mine, Barbara Lascano, who's an accountant. Barbara, thanks so much for coming in today.
Thanks for inviting me.
Really appreciate you coming in. Now, we go back a long way. When did we first meet?
Oh, it was 2018, just a few months after I moved to the UK, where my English was rubbish completely. But
Okay, carry on.
I started attending property networking events,
Yeah.
and I met you at Leeds Pin.
Leeds Pin meeting, that's quite a few years ago.
Yeah. Yes, and from there we met again in other PIN meetings like Harrogate and York.
And York, I did them as well. That's very true. Good memory.
You were a speaker in all of them.
Yes, thank you. So tell me, how many years in accountancy?
Oh, 25 years.
25 years?
As an accountant.
Yeah, accountancy. So what issues do you find for people watching today, more so my clients, that they have problems with about their accountants, and how can you help them? Can you explain that, please?
Yes.
What do you find most? How can you help them out?
Yes. So, well, they usually come because they want to have insight of their numbers on a monthly, quarterly basis, not just wait until the end of the fiscal year to get the account and see how the company is doing. So in the case of a property manager, of a landlord that has a big portfolio with many units or properties, I provide them insight reports every month of how the portfolio is doing overall, but also of every unit property. So this way they can see the numbers, how each month, how the properties are doing. They can save taxes on a monthly basis for corporation tax or VAT, because they see the numbers every month, and also they can make better decisions because they know how much money they have, how much profit they are doing, the cash, etc. So that is, I would say, that is my mainly activity. Also, I offer other financial management services for like projections, forecasting, or cash flow management.
Very good. So you're very much property related.
Yes, my needs are landlords and property managers, yeah.
And that saves them money, obviously, do what you do.
Yes.
Not like the normal accountant, you're a bit more specialised.
Yes.
Okay. And will you go to people's workplaces and to the homes, or do they come to you, or is it done over the phone, or how do you?
Well, on the phone and online. Nowadays with technology, I have everything in the cloud. And even though all my clients are local, because I met them through networking event or word of mouth, I work online. So if a client wants to meet me in person, of course, I'm up to that. But usually everything is done online. Brilliant.
And limited companies, is that what you're mainly into?
That is, mainly my type of client, limited companies.
Property limited companies?
Yes, property.
Right. So talk to us about the reporting and the cash flow and the analysis. Can you break that down a bit for people watching?
Yeah. So what I do is usually, ideally, if they have an accounting software, I get all the accounts from there. I can do also the bookkeeping, so I have everything.
And the bookkeeping
also.
Great.
So I have everything clean up and in order. And from there, I prepare beautiful reports, visual reports with dashboards, graphics, etc. And then also I prepared forecasting and cash flow management, looking at the numbers, the accounts, and also the bank transactions, and the same format as the other reports, visual with graphics, etc. If they don't have an accounting software, I can also prepare all the information from the bank statements. And I usually also work with, many of my clients have their own accountants, so I work alongside their accountants.
Yeah, and you've looked after some of my clients for me, which is doing a great job, and thank you for that. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
And also, you are, I would say, quite specialised in what you do on top of their ordinary accountant, aren't you, really? It's about saving money, isn't it, really, for them?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, it's about saving money, looking at the numbers every month. So, yeah.
And what would you say compares you to other accountants? How do you differ? What kind of service are you specialised?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so what I do is I usually my clients come because they have um, receipts or invoices all over the place, or they have messy spreadsheets, or they don't know what their numbers are. So I put all that in order to begin with, and then
Fantastic.
yeah, I help them, and also they can also save cost. I can look at the mortgages and see when they are going to end, and obviously, well, you have worked with some of my clients,
I have, yes.
and they are very happy with your services. So yeah, I can help on all that, saving money and taxes.
That's great. Well, listen, thank you so much for coming in today. For those people watching that want to call you up, can you please give your telephone numbers and your email out, please? So if you want to get in touch with Barbara Lascano, your landline is?
Yeah, so it is 0113 433 0108.
And your mobile?
07 5343 83177.
And your email?
Barbara@hogar.uk.
Barbara, thanks so much for coming in today. You've heard it here today at JP Mortgages. If in doubt, give Barbara a shout. Thank you.
Thank you.